Hello students, this is remote learning initiative undertaken by Shet Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE. Myself Preetham De Silva, your SST teacher, and today we are going to deal with Standard 7th History Chapter 3 The Delhi Sultans. Part 4. Now students, let's study the differences in the measures taken by Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad Tughlaq to deal with Mongol invasions. Students, under Alauddin Khilji, Delhi was attacked twice. He raised a large standing army. Muhammad Tughlaq defeated Mongols. He also raised a large standing army. Alauddin Khilji constructed a new garrison town named Siri for his soldiers. Muhammad Tughlaq, rather than constructing a new garrison town, the oldest of the four cities of Delhi, Delhi-Kuna, was emptied of its residents and the soldiers garrisoned there. The residents of the old city were sent to the new capital of Dawlatabad in the south. The soldiers had to be fed. It was done through the produce collected as tax from lands between Ganga and Yamuna. Tax was fixed at 50% of the present's produce. Produce from the same area was collected as tax to feed the army. But to meet the expense of maintaining such a large number of soldiers, the Sultan levied additional taxes. Alauddin Khilji paid his soldiers cash salaries rather than iktas. Muhammad Tughlaq also paid his soldiers cash salaries. He used a token currency. Alauddin's administrative measures were quite successful. Muhammad Tughlaq's administrative measures were a failure. His campaign into Kashmir was a disaster. Shifting his capital from Delhi to Dawlatabad was a spoiled decision. Raising taxes during famines led to rebellion. Issuing token currency was an immature step. The Sultanate in the 15th and the 16th century. Students, after Tughlaqs, the Saids and Lodi dynasties ruled from Delhi and Agra until 1526. By that time, Jaunpur, Bengal, Malwa, Gujarat, Rajasthan and the entire South India had independent rulers who established flourishing states and prosperous capitals. It was during this period that some new ruling groups like the Afghans and the Rajputs emerged. Some small but powerful and extremely well administrated states also emerged. Sher Shah Suri was the most powerful of them. He even challenged the Mughal Emperor Humayun and captured Delhi. In a very short period of 15 years, he introduced many reforms and a lot of welfare works. His administration became the model followed by the great Emperor Akbar when he consolidated the Mughal Empire.